Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Most first-time startups pitch their product to the investor rather than their business. They often spend a great deal of time on how the product works. Investors want to know how the business will be successful, not how the product works. Shift the focus on the product from how it works to how it enables business success. Describe how the business will create the product at a reasonable cost, and show how the customers will discover it and what steps the business will take to make them successful with it. Discuss how the product impacts the customer, such as saving them time, money, or effort, and show the monetization model and how customers will pay for it. Show why the customer will continue using it over time. All of these elements point to a successful business. Focusing on how the product works misses the point the investor seeks. Instead, show how the business will be successful. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.